Greetings, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn to Earn Minds. This brief tutorial discusses how to create written content with Canva's Magic Write and how to take advantage of this AI feature. Let's get started.
First of all, we will go to Canva, and to create a design, we will go to Custom Design and select the size of our choice. You can select any size, but I select 1000 x 1000. And then click Create New Design. As soon as the interface opens, click on Text and then add a text box. Now I type, "Tell me 5 websites for free stock images." Now I will click on the text, and the Magic Write option will appear. When you click Magic Write, multiple options will appear. We will check each option one by one. Let's start by clicking Continue Writing. That's how it works. Clicking Continue Writing will bring up a detailed answer to our question, which you can review. Let's check the second option. Select Magic Writer, click on Summarize, and see our text summarized. Let's check the third option. Click on the Magic Write option and click on the Rewrite option, then see the rewritten text. Now we check the fourth option. Again, click on the Magic Write and then click on the More Fun option, and the text will become even more fun with this option. Let's switch to the fifth option and click on Magic Write, then on More Formal, and you'll see that our text has been formalized. Similarly, we will check our next option. Here is the result you can check. Now we will check our last option in the same way. Last option is Fix Spelling. If we have any spelling mistakes, then it will fix our spelling mistakes. Here is the result you can check.
Here's a quick guide to using Magic Write to enhance your writing. I hope this tool enhances your writing journey. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Magic Write. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on writing, productivity, and all things magical. Until next time, happy writing.